Anand Vidya Vihar, Vadodara, today inaugurated its grand two-day inter-school festival AVV Aura 2025, a vibrant celebration of talent, leadership and innovation. The event brings together students from more than 15 leading schools across Vadodara and Gujarat. The inauguration ceremony was graced by Dr. Hemang Joshi, Honorable Member of Parliament, as the chief guest, and Dr. Geetika Madan Patel, Trustee of Anand Vidya Vihar and Vice President of Parul University, whose encouragement and vision inspired everyone present.
So today at Anand Vidya Vihar, it's a special occasion. We are celebrating our 25th year of foundation, and this AVV Aura is basically an inter-school event that we organize every year. This year it was made special because we had the presence of our Honorable Member of Parliament, Hemang Bhai Joshi, and the events that have been kept in this year for this inter-school event are very interesting, very relevant, and are mainly focused on the national values also. Be it the Yuva Sansad, the youth parliament that has been organized, in which nearly 15-16 schools have participated, be it the debating matters in which the topics have been centered around the national values, and be it the traditional folk dance competitions and the BISCOM. Everything is focused on bringing the correct values to the children. We are grateful for all the schools who have participated and in great spirits, and we are looking forward to the kind of learning which happens out of this event. And I congratulate the entire school team, all the students who have come forward and participated, and we'll keep moving ahead in this direction and keep making sure that the AVV Aura gets enhanced every year and we are able to bring more and more value to this event.
The festival features five exciting competitions: Virasats, the inter-school dance contest; BizCom, the commerce quiz; Debating Matters, the debate competition; Drishtikon for mobile photography and reels; and Yuva Sansad, the youth parliament simulation. Students from grades 6 to 12 are taking part with great enthusiasm, showcasing creativity, confidence, and teamwork. Speaking on the occasion, Principal Mrs. Purnima Menon shared that AVV Aura is not just a school event but a celebration of youthful energy and innovation, empowering students beyond classroom learning.
AVV Aura is Anand Vidya Vihar's Aura, our signature inter-school fest, which comprises many competitions, 4 to 5 this year, all catering to cognitive, psychomotor, and affective domains. So some are to be thought with the head, some with the heart, and some you have to use the hands. It's the 25th year of the school, and what better way to celebrate it than with the presence of our honorable sitting MP, Dr. Hemang Joshi. Sir was here, and with his prolific, inspirational speech, he inspired students at all the venues of competitions, including the inaugural address, with his wonderful words. Today also marks, incidentally, the 150th day of Vande Mataram, when it was adopted as the national song. And on this very special day for AVV Aura, Dr. Hemang Joshi spoke extensively on youth participation and how youth, Indian youth, can make a difference in the future. Our country is now going global, growing in size in terms of economy, in terms of stature, and it is a very, very happening time for Indian students, especially young kids, to learn about what national values are and how they can use their influence to influence the world. Let India grow, let schools grow, and through AVV Aura, I want to thank all those principals of 16 schools who've ensured that their children participate actively and work collaboratively. This event marks the sense of cooperation among different schools, and may all of us in Vadodara grow in terms of our impact and influence. Thank you.
The two-day festival continues tomorrow with more competitions, performances, and inspiring moments, making AVV Aura 2025 a true celebration of young minds and holistic education.